Naming binary ionic compounds. In naming the binary simple ionic compounds, all we need to do is write the name of the positive ion, the first element, and write the name of the second element ended with the suffix IDE. So the rule is as follows. You write the name of the first element of the metal, the name of the metal, unchanged, and then you write followed by the name of the non-metal, and you add to it the suffix "ide." So let's see this example. K3N. K is a positive 1 ion and N is a negative 3 ion. Now, of course, when you write the name, you have to make sure that the ions, sorry, the ions that you have fixed charges, don't have more than one charge. So simply the name of this compound is going to be potassium, because I'm going to write the name of the first metal unchanged, followed by the name of the non-metal, which is nitrogen. However, the rule says when you write the name of the non-metal, you add the termination "ide." Now, nitrogen would be nitride. You ignore all the numbers written. That's it. Another example, AgI. All I have to do is just check if silver has a fixed charge. It does have a fixed charge, and this is the I minus. It doesn't have more than one charge. In another video, I will explain to you the way to name an ionic compound where the ion has more than one charge. So this one is going to be simply silver, and the I is called iodine. However, as the rule says, you name the first element, you name the second non-metal, and the termination, you change it to "ide." So here I'm gonna write iodide instead of iodine. We continue. ZnBr2. Zinc has only one fixed positive charge, +2 charge, and Br is Br minus, belonging to group 17. So all I'm gonna do, ignore the number over here and just say zinc, and instead of saying bromine, I'm gonna say IDE, bromide. 3 more examples. Al, here's the aluminium having one fixed positive charge, so it's going to be aluminum, and O is the oxygen. Instead of saying oxygen, we will say oxide, and of course the numbers will be ignored in writing the name. Now, Ba is barium. So again, I'm going to show you that barium belongs to group 2. It has a fixed positive charge, and the phosphorus belongs to group 15. It has a fixed negative charge. So the name is going to be barium. Instead of saying phosphorus, I'm going to write phosphide. Here's the rule, "ide." That's the common thing in the ionic compound, that they all end with the suffix "ide." And whatever number you have in the formula of the ionic compound, you simply ignore it. Finally, the last one, Li having a fixed positive charge and hydrogen next to it, playing the role of a non-metal, accepting the electron from lithium. So the name is going to be lithium, and instead of saying hydrogen, we will write hydride.